miles beneath the ocean's surface. Steel arteries carry the world's energy. Offshore pipelines are among the most complex and most critical infrastructure on the planet. But only a handful of engineers truly know how to design and install them. Scattered textbooks, expensive short courses, years of on-site experience needed just to get started. Until now. Introducing the complete online course on offshore pipeline design, construction, and installation. Available right now on Udemy by Dr. Mohammed El Reedy. From wall thickness calculations and material selection, to route surveys, installation methods, and commissioning, everything you need in one place. You'll master pipeline design codes and international standards, hydrodynamic and structural analysis, S-lay, J-lay, and real-lay, installation techniques, corrosion, protection and cathodic systems, and real-world case studies straight from the field, built by industry experts, trusted by engineers worldwide. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your career, this course gives you the edge. Don't wait for the next project to learn on the job. Enroll today and build the skills the offshore industry demands. Click the link below. Your pipeline career starts here. Offshore pipeline design, construction, and installation on Udemy. Now, https://udemy.com course, offshore, pipeline design, construction, and installation.